our solemn prayer. Gates open, they're up and racing. Hela Star draws for your lead, moving a party outside. Jen's Joy, Trinity Moon down on the inside. Is sneaking in is Henry the 8th. Then followed by Bianca's Fantasy, Our Solemn Prayer, running by the rail Pumatone, moving a party outside is Pride and Joy. Lucky Find, next in line is Special Best, then comes number 7 Careless Moment, while entry number 11 Flying Joji is bringing up the rear. As they head towards the 1,000 meter mark, Hila Star, rather number 12 Jen's Joy in command by about 4 lengths. Running now in second is entry number 2 Trinity Moon, running on the outside is Hila Star, moving up by the rail Our Solemn Prayer. Then running alongside is Henry the 8th, Bianca's Fantasy, Pride and Joy, followed by Pumatone, running by the rail Lucky Find. Then followed over now by Flying Joji, running second last is Special Best, and a long way back to Careless Moment as they turn towards the final 450. It's still Jen's Joy leading the field. Trinity Moon moving a party outside. Our Solemn Prayer is running in third. Down in fourth, moving up by the rail is Bianca's Fantasy. In between runners comes Henry the 8th and Pride and Joy, moving a party outside. Lucky Find with the last 150 more to run. Trinity Moon this time by about 2 lengths. Our Solemn Prayer, Bianca's Fantasy is by the rail, and finally Trinity Moon second. Our Solemn Prayer, Lucky Find. Then comes Bianca's Fantasy and Pumatone for your Pentapecta.